Day 4, problem 1. Solve for x in these similar polygons. Because they're similar, corresponding parts are proportional. This side here in the top triangle is proportional to this side here in the bottom triangle. And then this side here corresponds with this one here. Let's make a proportion by matching these parts. The 11x plus 11 corresponds with the 30. And the 77 corresponds with the 21. Before I solve this, I'm going to reduce the fraction on the right just to make it a little bit smaller. Top and bottom both divide by 7, leaving 11 over 3. Next, I can solve this with cross multiply or by looking for a pattern. I do notice a pattern. Do you notice how 30 divided by 10 makes 3? That means in the numerator, that one there divided by 10 ends up being 11. So 11x plus 11 divided by 10 makes 11. Multiply both sides by 10. Then subtract 11 from both sides. And x is equal to 9. There are different ways to solve a proportion. If you don't like doing it with a pattern, then use cross multiplication. Now, day 4, problem 2. Find the measure of angle VST. So VST is the angle with this loop in it. There's another angle with that same style loop, and those mean that the angles are congruent. So that same algebra expression can be written over here. If we can solve for x, we can plug it in there, and then we would know the size of our angle. Do you notice that we have algebra expressions on all 3 arcs of the circle? And we know that all the way around the circle is 360, so that gives us the way to make the equation. Let's add up our 3 algebra expressions and say equals 360. Now solve this. Combining the x terms makes negative 91x. Combining the constant terms makes negative 4. And that's equal to 360. Now add 4 to both sides. And divide both sides by negative 91. So x is negative 4. Once we know that value for x, we can substitute it into that algebra expression right there. This will turn out to be 105 degrees.